Hello, and welcome to the first lesson in introductory series to Kubernetes. In this lesson, I'll walk you through what Kubernetes is, its alternatives, why we use Kubernetes, a brief architectural overview, and the tool we'll be using to learn Kubernetes. Let's dive in. Firstly, what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is a container orchestration platform designed to automate the provisioning, deployment, and scaling of the containerized application. What are the alternatives to Kubernetes? Docker Swarm, suitable for small to mid-sized companies. Apache Mesos, useful for distributed loads. Helios from Spotify, and the managed solution such as OpenShift, EKS, GKS, and AKS. Managed solutions provide implementation of a control plane or a master node. Now let's look at the architectural diagram of a Kubernetes. Kubernetes consists of two main parts, the master node or a control plane and a worker. The control plane includes components such as the API server, etcd, scheduler, controller manager, and the cloud controller manager. The API server is the only point open for communication. On the worker node, we have a kubelet, which communicates with the control plane via the API server, kube proxy for managing network across the cluster, and container runtime interface for running pods. We'll dwell deeper into these components into the future lesson. Why should we use Kubernetes? One of the key reasons is its declarative configuration, supporting configuration file written in YAML or JSON format. It's a self-healing and portable, allowing you to migrate your assets seamlessly across different providers. Kubernetes is widely supported by both the industry and the community. The tool we'll be using to learn Kubernetes is MiniKube, although alternative like Kind and K3s also exist. That's all for now. In the next lesson, I'll guide you through installing and running MiniKube. See you soon.